For preparing coffee ice cream, first we have to prepare the espresso. For that, I'm using our regular coffee powder, that's from Nescafe. Here I'm taking 3 teaspoons. If you like your coffee more hot, you can increase it as per your choice. So basically we are going to add some water and heat it up in a pan. This is how our espresso will be ready. In a serving cup, I'm adding some vanilla ice cream and adding our espresso dried into it, and spread some chocolate syrup. If you want, add another scoop of ice cream, it will be more yum. And see, the beautiful texture of the creamy layer is totally yum. Just give it a try, it's very easy, and enjoy.